Hi guys, it's Carol from 156 and now. Today I'm going to show you how to compost so that you have a clean garden and you can grow amazing vegetables. It's very simple and you can start it in your own kitchen. So I have here a 4-quart stainless steel bowl. This is all I use on my kitchen counter. It has an airtight lid so that it keeps any smells inside. And basically what we do here is we take any of our kitchen scraps, eggs, bananas, you see here, these are napkins that have absolutely no print. We have, vegetables and all of that. Never put meat items or grease in here, okay, because that's going to damage your compost. From this area, this is what I considered my first stage. So from the time that I just put it in this bowl, then I bring it outside. This here is a 20-gallon plastic garbage that we just drilled holes on the top and on the bottom in order to get airflow in there, okay? And we just dump everything in here. I know it looks kind of nasty, but all of this is going to break down. And we do what's called a lasagna method, which is our greens, and then on top of that we put our browns. Browns are things like leaves, twigs, dead grass, okay? And then you keep stacking it. Every so often you give it some water and you move it. What we do sometimes, you can do it with a garden fork. It's very easy. I'm not a very large woman, so that works for me. Here in the bottom, it also has some holes so that it could drip and get air, because it's gonna get very hot in there as things start to decompose. So I have my kitchen scraps here. I'm just gonna keep it out while I'm here. Later on, I'm just gonna come in and put my brown. So that stage where we put everything together is gonna take about a month to break down. Now I wanna show you our setup. This is my final product. This is what the compost looks like after it's been aged about a year plus. This is the stuff that we use in our garden. It's full of nutrients. Look how soft this is. Everything has broken down, okay? And it's loaded with nutrients. See that? We have some people trying to live in there. And then on this side, because we are on a homestead, we try to use as much of the things that we have around. So I have chickens. My chickens' bedding ends up here, okay? That way we also use this as compost for our garden. This particular pile with the shavings and the manure from the chicken coop, this is going to take about a year also to break down because it's high in nitrogen, and I don't want to place that on my beds, my flower beds or my vegetable beds, because it can burn my plants. So you wait for that, and then this is your result. And patience is all you need for growing vegetables organically, and they're going to yield so much for you during the season, and you don't have to worry about putting any harsh chemicals in it. So I hope this was helpful. Have a great day, and thank you for joining me. Bye.